So the first question that we wanted to address was, where do we want to use full text search and how do we want to use it, or is it to address the problem of I like what we currently have? So first we reviewed existing search systems like the one you saw with Sphinx or using an external system. So one of the main challenges when we use an external system for full text search is, when do we push the data, how real time should the data be, and how is this data going to be consistent? So we do not find an easy way to have the data consistent. Let me give you a very simple example. You have, if we decide to push the data during create or write to a separate search server, we might push the data, and at the end of the transaction we could have an exception and a rollback. So at the rollback we do not have a way to clear the data from the separate server. Or if you really want to manage all the use cases, it's going to be a really complex integration, a kind of an integration with a completely different system. So we found that the best way to do that would be to use full text search in Postgres itself, if possible. And also on our evaluation, we know that we need better performance on I like searches on character and character fields. So for that we were checking the gist indexes and gin indexes of Postgres. So a proposal which has come up is to use Postgres itself and parse the text using the built-in text search, TS query and TS parse functions of Postgres, and use a gist index and store the vectorized form of the text and later search on that. So which gives a better performance, but at the cost of a heavier and more expensive index computation. And for full text search, the idea that has come up is to use full text search for search rect name. That is what you get normally when you search inside a many to one field, or go for a simple search on the model search field. So for that we could build the current implementation of rect name, the field which normally searches over your name field inside the model, or you customize it. That should become a field in the database which stores the TS vector with a concatenation of the string of the character fields we require, vectorized, and it's stored. So what you search there will go for a full text search, and this column would exist on every single table, every model we have. So that was a conclusion from the discussion. It's now open to your review.
Just a remark, I know there is also an SQLite plugin for full text search. So
we have 2 database support now. Yeah, it's good.
And I think MySQL also can
Also the idea was to create a new operator for full text search.